I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by creating a movie project and importing clips. This gets your footage into the timeline right away. Once imported, scrub the timeline to find strong moments, then trim with the yellow handles to remove dead time. If you need separate shots, position the playhead and choose Split to create independent clips. Make sure to save progress by backing out to projects after edits. These first moves set pace and structure, so focus on clean clips and rough sequencing before refining transitions and sound. Now refine timing and polish pacing. Zoom into the timeline, nudge edges, and use Split to remove microfills. Once done, add transitions by tapping the junction between clips and picking a style and duration. Shorter durations keep momentum. For visual interest, add B-roll by dragging a clip over another and select picture-in-picture or cutaway. This explains or hides cuts. Make sure to adjust clip volume and fade handles so audio breathes naturally, because smooth audio edits matter as much as clean. Finish by adding titles, color corrections, and final audio fades. Review the full movie to verify cuts and levels. Once satisfied, tap Share Right Arrow Save Video and pick a resolution and frame rate that match your delivery needs. Higher res uses more space. If export stalls or fails, make sure you have adequate free storage, restart the iPhone, and check for Imovie updates. Retry after each step. If problems persist, duplicate the project and export the duplicate to isolate corrupted clips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.